Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how you can find spaces on Google Chat. Let's get to it. First of all, go to your Google Chat app on your phone. Then select the account where your spaces are in. You can click on this profile button right here, guys. Alright, and I'm going to find a space on this account. So I'm going to tap on this account. Alright, and after that we can click on spaces right here. We can click on spaces button. Alright, and this is the space that I have created, and to chat on the space we can click on the space. For example, I'm going to open this space, this squad. So just tap on it and you can start chat on the space. Okay guys, that's how we can find spaces on Google Chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.